Hi dear students, welcome to Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. Here we are in conic section questions. We already completed two videos. Now I am going to discuss the third video. If possible, I will make it another video. If power cut will be there during the sessions, I will continue in the next day, dear students. I hope you understand. The coordinates of the extremities of the latest rectum of the parabola. So 5y square equal to 4a. So first what we have to do, given parabola equation 5y square equal to 4x. Bring them into the standard form. Y square equal to 4 by 5 into x. This you have to compare with the y square equal to 4ax. So here 4a is equal to 4 by 5. So a is equal to 1 by 5, dear students. Okay. After getting the value of a, they are asking to find extremities of the latest rectum. This is the figure of parabola. These are the ends of the latest rectum, L, L dash. Ends are extremities, a comma 2a, a comma minus 2a. So L equal to a comma 2a, which is equal to L of a value 1 by 5, comma 2 into 1 by 5, 2 by 5. Next L dash, a comma minus 2a. So L dash 1 by 5 comma minus 2 by 5. Okay dear students, I hope you understand. 1 by 5 comma 2 by 5. Next 1 by 5 comma minus 2 by 5. It is there in the second option, dear students. Okay. This is about the first question. We'll move to question number 2. The eccentricity of the conic. We don't know which type of conic, whether it is parabola, ellipse or hyperbola. So to recognize the second degree general equation, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. If this equation represents second degree general equation, compare with this a value, b value, both are goes to be 0. Why? Because x square term is not there, y square term is also not there. Next 2h is equal to 1, h is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Later g and f values. 2z equal to minus 2, g equal to minus 1. Next 2f equal to 1, f equal to 1 by 2. And c is equal to 1. To recognize the given conic, first we need to verify delta value ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square. AB value 0 means this total value goes to be 0. So 2 into F value 1 by 2, G value minus 1, H value 1 by 2 minus, here 2 get cancelled, minus AF square, A value 0, B value also 0, minus C value 1 into H square 1 by 4. So which is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Anyway, it is not equal to 0. So delta not equal to 0. We got one condition. And calculate the value of H square minus AB. H square means 1 by 4 minus AB value 0. So is greater than 0 no, clearly. A 1 by 4 minus 0 means 1 by 4. It is greater than 0. Whenever delta is not equal to 0 and H square is greater than AB, then the conic section represents a rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola. Whenever rectangular hyperbola whose eccentricity is root 2. Okay dear students, I hope you understand. We'll move on to other question. I will drop this and we will move to other questions. Maximum I will try my best for the different type of questions which we did not discuss in the previous videos. In my other channel, Maths with Panindra, you have parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, number of videos are there related to MSET and JEE. But MSET type questions more we have. JEE nowadays I am increasing the questions, practice session questions. So you can go through that other channel also. It will be helpful for you. The next question. I am collecting different questions from Akash, Alan, from different Chaitanya Narayana. If the foci of an ellipse are plus or minus root 5 comma 0 and its eccentricity is root 5 by 3, I am not getting, then the equation of the ellipse is, see options dear students. So first option, 9x square plus 4y square equal to 36. 4x square plus 9y square equal to 36. 36x square plus 9y square equal to 4. 9x square plus 36y square equal to 4. So this is the question. Even other question also I will write it from this question. The vertex of the parabola is the point A comma B, and latest rectum and LLR, simply I am writing, is of length L if the axis of the parabola is along the positive direction of y-axis, then its equation is, see first option, x plus a whole square equal to L by 2, 2y minus 2b, x minus a whole square equal to L by 2, 2y minus 2b, x plus a whole square equal to L by 4 into 2y minus 2b, x minus a whole square equal to L by 8 into 2y minus 2b. See here, question these two. Any idea about to solve this? The foci of an ellipse. Here, foci represents, we know that, plus or minus root 5 comma 0 is equal to plus or minus AE comma 0, dear students. So it implies that AE is equal to root 5. Am I right? Next, eccentricity value is given. E is equal to root 5 by 3. What is the value of E? Root over a square minus b square divided by no need of I think this one. By using this, that implies that a into root 5 by 3 is equal to root 5. From this a value we got it now. So whenever a value you got it, a square is equal to 9. A square and AE, we have the formula. B square equal to a square minus AE whole square. So a square means 9 minus root 5 whole square, which is equal to 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4. So b square value 4, a square value by 9. Then the standard equation of ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Substitute a square and b square in this. So x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1 by taking LCM and simplifying. 4x square plus 9y square equal to 36, which is the required locus of the ellipse. 4x square plus 9y square equal to 36. We got the second option, dear students. Now come to the question. The vertex of the parabola is the point A comma B. Generally, vertex denoted by H comma K. H comma K is equal to A comma B according to the question. Okay. Later, length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum LLR is equal to 4A. That is equal to L is given. Okay. Later, vertex is H comma K and 4A. And if the axis of the parabola is along the positive direction of y-axis, axis is along positive direction of y-axis, then positive direction of y-axis means what? The figure will become like this now. This is the axis, dear students. This is H comma K. This is the vertex. Axis along with y-axis. But this is not y-axis. This is along with y-axis. Okay? That means this is origin. Origin shifted to H comma K. This is the y-axis. Is it along with y-axis or not? I hope you understand. So this type of curve will becomes, here I will write it, x minus h whole square equal to 4a into positive direction of y-axis. That's what they're saying that. Okay, these students still here understand? Wherever h comma k is there, replace with a comma b. Wherever 4a is there, replace with l. X minus a whole square is equal to l into y minus b. Check the options. All options are l by 2, l by 4, l by 8. But l by 2, two options are there. So here I want to get l by 2. So multiplying and dividing by 2. So you will get 2y minus 2b. So x minus a whole square is equal to L by 2 into 2y minus 2b. It is there in the second option, dear students. Okay, I hope you understand. We'll move on to other set of questions. It will help for answer these type of questions. They may chances to ask. Those who are watching, please you can like and share. If you like this video, it reaches to more students. Like those who are not having any tuition points or academies, they will utilize. That is my intention to teach the classes. Okay, I am going to drop this. We'll move to next one. This is a good question, dear students. An ellipse with major and minor axis along lengths 20 and 10 respectively touches the coordinate axis in the first quadrant if the foci are alpha, gamma and beta, delta, then the value of alpha, beta plus gamma, delta is equal to, so first option A 100, second option 125, C 25, fourth option 50. So these are the options, dear students. You think about the question. So how we will get it the answer? In what way? An ellipse with major axis and minor axis, lengths 20 and 10 respectively, okay, and touches the coordinate axis in the first quadrant. So based on that, if we draw the figure, you will get it idea. See how we are going to draw that. See the ellipse figure, I am going to draw that. This is the way we can draw. Is it touching x-axis and y-axis in first quadrant? Okay. This is the center, dear students. A dash, how much is given? Length of major axis A dash is equal to 20. That means from center to A is A units. No, 2A is equal to 20. A is equal to 10. So this is the origin, no? From here to here 20 units means x. We'll write it. So this one from here to here it is 50. So this one is A, from here to here it is A, no? So this is some point you take it. This is B, this is B dash. B is 10, 0. Why? Because it lies on x-axis, no? At a distance of 10. Total A dash is 20 means from here to here it is 20. So from here to here it is 10, from here to here it is 10. Okay, got clarity. Next, B dash is given how much? 10. So 2B is equal to 10, B is equal to 5, dear students. So B means, this is the B value. This is also B value. So 5, from here to here is 5, from here to here it is 10. So this is 10, 5. Next, this is 10, 10. Why? Because 5 plus 5, 10. Next, A value and A dash. A dash means it lies on y-axis, no? So 0. From here to here it is 5 units, 5, 0. So here, this is the focus. S dash and S. A value from here to here 20 comma 5 from here 20 comma 5 dear students. This is 5 comma 0. No, from here to 10, from 10. Sorry. 0 comma 5, very sorry. 5 plus 5 by 2 is 5, 20 plus 10. Okay, next. After the broad direction, this focus is focus A value, B value, we got it now. Clearly A is greater than B. Eccentricity we can calculate. Root over 100 minus 25 divided by 100, which is equal to root 75 by 100. So 25 3 is 25 fourths. So root 3 by 2. So eccentricity value we got it. So focus, foci coordinates. This is h comma k dear students. S equal to h plus or minus ae comma k. So h value how much? 10 plus or minus a value is 10, e value root 3 divided by 2, comma k value is 5. So 2 ones, 2 5s. So S is equal to 10 plus or minus 5 root 3 comma 5. Foci coordinates we got it. S and S dash both are there in this, dear students. So one is S 10 plus 5 root 3 comma 5. This is regarding alpha comma gamma. So that implies that alpha equal to 10 plus 5 root 3 and gamma equal to 5. Okay, dear students, according to the question. Next, S dash equal to 10 minus 5 root 3 comma 5 equal to S of, this is beta and delta. That implies that even here also we can compare x coordinates on both sides and y coordinates on both sides. So beta equal to 10 minus 5 root 3, delta equal to 5. Now come to the question. Therefore, alpha into beta plus gamma into delta. So alpha value is 10 plus 5 root 3 into 10 minus 5 root 3. Alpha into beta. Next plus gamma into delta. So 5 into 5. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. 10 square minus 5 root 3 whole square plus 25. So which is equal to 100 minus 25 is 75 plus 25. So which is equal to 125 minus 75 is 50. So therefore alpha beta plus gamma delta equal to 50. It is there in the fourth option, dear students. I hope you understand. Slowly I explained. Still, if you are not able to understand, you can write in the comment box. Will help you in the other way. Okay, dear students, I'm going to rub this. Yeah, the next question is this. The locus of the point, the locus of the point which divides the line segment joining the line segment joining the point 0 comma minus 1 and a point on the parabola x square is equal to 4y. Internally in the ratio 1 is to 2. In the ratio 1 is to 2 is the first option here. 9x square minus 12y is equal to 8. 4x square minus 3y equal to 2. X square minus 3y equal to 2. 9x square minus 3y equal to 2. These are the options, dear students. See how we are going to discuss. The locus of point which divides the line segment joining the point 0, minus 1 and the point on the first given parabola x square is equal to 4y. It is in the form of x square is equal to 4ay. No? So what is the general point, parametric point from this? So 4a is equal to 4. So a is equal to 1, no? So parametric point p of t equal to, generally for y square is equal to 4ax, 80 square comma 280. But it will be reversed in this case, 280 comma 80 square. So wherever a is there replaced with 1, this point will become 2t comma t square. Okay. This point and this point, the locus point is going to divide. See, this point P I am taking 2t comma t square, and the given point that I am taking as A. So Q you can take no problem. Meaning Q is 0 comma minus 1. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Okay. And the locus point, variable point I am taking here, a of x comma y. It divides in the ratio of 1:2 internally. So therefore the locus point, here you have to write it. Let a of x comma y divides the line segment, PQ. PQ means according to the question I wrote here, students. In the ratio 1:2 internally. So this is m, this is n, dear students. So a of x comma y is equal to nx2 plus nx1 by m plus 1. So 1 into 0 plus 2 into 2t, that is 4t by m plus n, 1 plus 2, 3. Next m y2, that means minus 1 plus n y1, that is 2t square divided by 1 plus 2. So comparing x coordinates and comparing y coordinates, so you will get x is equal to 4t divided by 3, that implies t is equal to 3x by 4. We make subject t, t is a parameter. Next, comparing y coordinates, y is equal to 2t square minus 1 divided by 3, cross multiply. So 3y is equal to 2t square minus 1. So in place of t, substitute this one and simplify. So you will get, so 3y is equal to 2 into 3x by 4 whole square minus 1. So 3y is equal to 2 into 9x square divided by 16 minus 1. So 2 1s, 2 8s. Cross multiply. 3y is equal to 9x square minus 8 into 8. Okay, students. 3x by 4 only, no? So m by 2 mine plus n y1 by m plus n, that one, right? 3y is equal to 2t square minus 1. So minus 8 bring this side. 24y is equal to 9x square minus 8. Serious students, check once of 2t square. We got mx plus mx and y value also, no? So 182. So in this case you are getting 9x square is there plus 24y minus 8. So plus 8. But this answer is not getting. So what we have to do is this two will be interchanged. Like this we can take it. Then it may chances to get the answer. We will take it in this way. So P point is 0 comma minus 1, 1 is to 2. So A point is x comma y. So P point is P of t, that means 2t comma t square. So this time A of x comma y value we got it as mx2. So 2t by 1 plus 2 my2 t square, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 by 3. So even this is also correct, but while taking that see here joining the point 0 comma minus 1 and this point. So first we have to take this point, not this is the way. This is the right way. So 3x is equal to 2t. So 3x by 2 is equal to t. Next, by equating y coordinates. So 3y is equal to t square minus 2. 3y plus 2 is equal to t square. T value this one, no? 3y plus 2 is equal to 3x by 2 whole square. 3y plus 2 equal to 9x square plus 4. Cross multiply now. 12y plus 8 is equal to 9x square. So now 12y we bring this side. 8 is equal to 9x square minus 12y. So this option is not there, dear students. Even this is also correct answer, but we didn't have the option this one. But this option is there. 9x square minus 12y equal to 8 is there. So according to the statement, line segment joining the point. So you take this point as first point in this way. This is the second case, this is the first case. In first case we didn't get another answer. But this is also correct way. But according to the order, first this one, second this point. So we have taken reverse in this case. That is the reason we did not proper curve or locus. But we got it now here. This is the right way. Okay. We'll move to other question. Whenever this case is not correct, you can go for this only. If you want, you can copy both. Sometimes they will ask both the curves, both the cases. So you will drop this case. If you want to, you can separately, you can take it the curve. Now in this case we didn't get the proper answer. Now we got it. Both the cases are considered. Sometimes if they will ask the first point is locus point, that time you can use this second method option, dear students. Okay. We'll move to other question now. After completing of the session also you can watch it. Even board related questions also available in our channel, dear students. Exam site. If the length of the semi major axis, semi-major axis of an ellipse is 14 units and the eccentricity is 1/2, then the area of rectangle formed by joining the ends of the lattice rectum, of the ellipse is equal to. So first option 294 square units. Second option 296 square units. 324 square units. 147 square units. So think about the question twice or you read thrice the question thoroughly, dear students. You will get an idea to solve the problem. Yeah. See, first draw the rough figure of the according to the question. Here I will draw that rough figure of ellipse. Okay, this is the center. If the length of semi-major axis of an ellipse is 14 units, semi-major axis, semi-major axis means A only known, A is equal to 14 and eccentricity E is equal to 1 by 2. So whenever A and E is available, we can calculate B square value. B square equal to A square minus AE whole square. Okay. So B square equal to A square means 196. 14 into 1 by 2 is 7. 7 square is 49. So is it 147? Right, B square value we got it. So A and E value we got it. See, length of lattice rectum is this one only. This is L, L dash. This is L1, L1 dash. So if you join like this, you will get the rectangle formed by the joint the ends of the lattice rectum of the ellipse. So L1 is equal to length of rectangle. L dash, L1 dash, L dash simply. L dash is breadth of rectangle. So if you want to find out the area, this is AE comma B square by A, no? This is AE comma minus B square by A. This is minus AE comma B square by A. This is minus AE comma minus B square by A. So observe carefully, these y coordinates are equal means this length L dash equal to L dash. So L dash equal to distance between these two. A minus A whole square, no, root square cancelled to 2A. Next, these two. Two B square Y A. So L is equal to length. This I am taking as L, this taking as breadth. Length, breadth. L is equal to 2AE means 2 into 14 into E means 1 by 2. So it is equal to 14. Breadth B is equal to B means 2B square by A. 2 into B square value 147 by A. A means 14. So 2 ones, 2 sevens. 7 twos are 7 ones. So therefore area of rectangle. The area of rectangle formed by the ends of the lattice rectum. Formed by ends of the lattice rectum. Ends of lattice rectum. Or L into D. 14 into 21. So 14, 28. So 294 we are getting. Is that 294 square units. So it is there in the first option, dear students. Just according to the question, if you draw the right figure, you will get it idea. According to my knowledge, it will be 100% helpful. You can utilize. We can go to other question and last question in this session. The coming question and last question in this session is a good question. If the radii of director circle of x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 and x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Where a is greater than b in both the cases, dear students. Or 2r and r respectively and if E means eccentricity of the ellipse and EH eccentricity of the hyperbola or eccentricities of the ellipse and hyperbola respectively, then the value of 4EH square minus EE square is equal to. So options are 2, 4, 6 and 0. So these are the answers to these students. So in what way you can see first for the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is regarding the ellipse. For this director circle DC, x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. If you want to write in the form of standard equation, we will write it in a students. So this radius is equal to 2r dimension. So here 2r is equal to root over a square plus b square. Okay. Radius of director circle of ellipse. Next hyperbola. X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Director circle x square plus y square equal to root of a square minus b square whole square. Here r is equal to root of a square minus b square. Okay. So r equal to. So if you do that squaring on both sides, 4r square is equal to a square plus b square, no? Here also if you do that squaring, a square minus b square. If you solve these two, so solving these two here I am writing. So subtract 1 from other. 4r square equal to a square plus b square, r square equal to a square minus b square. If we add these two, 5r square is equal to 2a square. Okay. Now what they are asking to find eccentricity also we need to calculate. No? Eccentricity of ellipse EE equal to root over a square minus b square divided by a square. Squaring on both sides and cross multiply, simply e square is equal to a square minus b square divided by a square. Next, EH is equal to root of a square plus b square divided by a square. So, EH square is equal to a square plus b square divided by a square. Now come to the question, dear students. What question they are asking? 4EH square minus, therefore, 4EH square minus EE square equal to 4 times of EH square will be this one. A square plus B square divided by A square minus EE square. EE square means so A square minus B square by A square. So let us take LCM. A square is the LCM now. So 4a square plus 4b square minus a square plus b square. So which is equal to 3a square plus 5b square divided by a square. So what they are asking to find? So if you subtract, what happens? 4r square is equal to a square plus b square. Next, r square equal to a square minus b square. If you subtract, sign change now. These two will be cancelled. 2b square is equal to 3r square. 2b square. So from this, therefore, 4EH square minus EE square is equal to 3 into a square value from here, 5 by 2 r square is equal to a square. Even b square in terms of a square, if you write it is enough, no? Okay, no need. So 3 into a square means 5 by 2 r square plus 5 into b square value from here. 3r square by 2 is equal to b square. So 3 by 2 r square divided by 5 by 2 r square. So 15 by 2, 15 by 2. 2 times of 15 by 2 r square. This by the 15 by 2, 15 by 2, 2 times by 5 by 2 r square. These two cancel, 2 to cancel. So 2 into 15 divided by 5. 5 ones, 5 threes. 3 into 6. So in other ways also we can do this, students. So your answer is 6. I hope everyone understand. If still any doubts are there in this session, you can write in the comment box. In my free time, I will come with other conic section questions from ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola questions. If possible, tomorrow class I will come, and today night also, if possible, geometrical progression related to AP intermediate will come with the video. It is 8B related exercise. Thank you, dear students. Signing off. Exam side mathematics by 1. Those who are watching first time, please like and share. You have to subscribe. It will be useful for your friends and you also. Thank you all.